If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for receiving latest updates on exams, research positions, and guidance videos. So let's start the video.
Hey guys, welcome to Inspire Chemistry. So today in this video I will discuss about one very important research oriented thing, that is RSC ISAR desktop seminar with Chemcom. So RSC, that is Royal Society of Chemistry, and ISAR Bhopal are collaborated with each other, and they are conducting one desktop seminar. Okay, so there will be many sessions like session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4. Okay, and there will be many professors from IITs like IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, professor from ISAR Bhopal, professor from UK, some university, Japan Kyoto University professors. So this seminar will be very helpful for chemistry students as well as biology students. Okay, so first session will be chemical biology. So this will be on August 5, 2021, 3 p.m. in IST, Indian Standard Time. So 3 p.m. You can join. So registration link will be in description box. You can go and just register, pre-registration. For there will be total 2 days seminar, August 5 and August 6. Okay, so through one registration you can join both 2 days seminar. Okay, so in first day, that is August 5 at 3 p.m. there will be two lectures from Professor Itaru Hamachi, Kyoto University, Japan. He will be discussing that is bioorthogonal protein labeling in live cells and beyond. And second will be Professor Dimpy Kalia, ISAR Bhopal, India, tweaking male imides for improved bioconjugation. Okay, so these are the things in day 1, August 5, 3 p.m. Okay, and second one will be session 3, August 6, 3 p.m. there will be two professors talk. First one is Professor Santosh Gharpure, IIT Bombay. So he will be discussing reactions of alkynes for the stereoselective synthesis of heterocycles. And second one is Professor Manomohan Kapoor, ISAR Bhopal. So carbene migratory insertion in transition metal catalyzed CH functionalization of nitrogen heterocycles. So these two talks will be very helpful for those students who want to join as organic chemistry research in future, or these will be on August 6, 3 p.m. Okay, and third one is related to supramolecular chemistry, that is polymer chemistry, supramolecular chemistry related things. So this talk will be on August 6, 4 p.m. after these two talks, the 3 p.m. So 30 minutes talk, I think 30 1 hour. After that, from 4 p.m. August 6, these two professor will be discussing these two things. First one is Professor Michael Hardy, University of Leeds, UK. So he will be discussing metallo-supramolecular cage and network assemblies from host type ligands. Okay, and second one will be Professor Uttam Manna, IIT Guwahati, India, use of Michael addition reactions in developing functional bio-inspired interfaces. Okay, these total 6 talks are there in this RSC ISAR desktop seminar with Chemcom. So the registration link will be in description box. You can go and register in free. Okay, through one registration you can join this both 2 days seminar, that means these 6 talks, chemistry and biology related things. So this is the very important chance for you guys, those who are in BSc or MSc in chemistry, biology, or chemical biology related things, biochemistry related things. So they can join and you can get some research interest from these seminars, and you can understand the advanced research areas in these fields like supramolecular chemistry, organic chemistry, or chemical biology fields. So that's all. So if you get any information from this video, please hit the like button, and please share this news with your friends also, because they can also register freely and can join these seminars. So thank you for watching. Registration link will be in description box. So see you in the next video.